Now, here's Oklahoma's leading meteorologist, the Forewarned Storm Team's Mike Morgan.
Well, our weather outside certainly very interesting. We've got a deck of low-grade cloud cover that has moved into Oklahoma this afternoon, and we're talking about temperatures which are still on the mild side, but the wind is up today, and it looks like the humidity is arriving to provide moisture for some showers, some drizzle, and eventually some thunderstorms, and then some wintry precipitation for a large part of the state. Look at the cloud cover here. This is going to be sticking around for a while. It's going to be a gray stretch of weather. Well, skies are cloudy here in Oklahoma City. Our temperature 59 degrees currently, and the winds are southerly at 14, gusting to 22 miles per hour. Our daytime high has been 62 degrees today, and 42 was our morning low. There's so much to talk about this afternoon. Right now, it's just that deck of low-gray cloud cover. Now, off in the distance here, you can actually see clearing just to the west of El Reno and Kingfisher. So not everybody's cloudy. It's still sunny in western Oklahoma. Temperatures, as you see here, are a mix of upper 50s and very low 60s, and we're in the middle 60s out in our panhandle. Western Oklahoma is still mostly sunny, but gradually cloud cover like we have here in Oklahoma City is going to overtake the entire state as this moisture comes up from the Gulf of Mexico. You can see it right here. It's lifting northward, and that'll just get deeper and thicker in terms of the grayness over the next several days. And here comes this major system. This system coming in from the west coast has a lot going for it in many different ways. Heavy rainfall, some potential for some flooding in flood-prone areas, largely because the leaves are blocking things like drains and such. So that might be something you might want to consider around your house as this system approaches Oklahoma, because we will likely get a November month's worth of rain totals in a day. And that'll be Thanksgiving Day across a large part of the state. Look at the spin here, the counterclockwise spin, now tumbling southward into northern California. And there are winter storm watches to winter storm warnings, travelers advisories. Everybody out here to the west is going to get a full plate of a lot of weather. Now here in Oklahoma, it'll get here too. It's going to be that low gray cloud cover tonight. You know, there may be a little drizzle around, some light moisture developing overnight tonight. You see just a little smattering here of a little bit of light green. That'll be lifting to the north. 55 will be our low. Tomorrow, a cloudy day for Wednesday, and temperatures will be pretty mild for this time of year, 62, but again, it will be a gray, windy day, so because of the wind, it really won't feel as mild as 62 degrees outside. Now, let's jump into Thanksgiving here and beyond, Friday and Saturday. Look at these showers and thunderstorms on Thanksgiving morning develop. And these will have thunder and lightning and heavy downpours of rain with them. Then here comes the cold front right here. This has a mixture of Canadian and a little Arctic air with it. Now, the most important thing in terms of any ice, sleet, or snow for Oklahoma is how much Arctic air mixes in, which is colder than the Canadian air. This cold front will have a 25 to 30 degree temperature drop with it. It'll be approaching Oklahoma City by late Thanksgiving afternoon. Coming through here Thanksgiving evening, and then look at this. As we head toward Friday morning at sunrise, the precipitation here goes to freezing rain, sleet, and snow. You see it right here just to the west of Oklahoma City, and our temperature will be very close to 32 degrees by Friday morning. Meanwhile, heavy rain continues to the south and east. Friday afternoon, temperatures will just flatline. They won't go anywhere. They'll be hovering just a degree or two above freezing here in Oklahoma City. 54 by the 10 o'clock news tonight. Overnight, some drizzle, a few showers develop. 40 in Woodward, 55 tonight here in Oklahoma City. And for tomorrow, cloudy, windy, cool to mild, depending on your point of view. Drizzle showers, central and eastern Oklahoma, upper 50s to mid 60s. Thanksgiving, a 100% chance of showers and thunderstorms with heavy rainfall. That ice line comes just to the west of Oklahoma City Thanksgiving night. Friday morning, in other words, Friday afternoon, 35. That'll be our high temperature. A look at Bedlam weekend. That's coming up next. Welcome back. Drizzle late tonight and tomorrow, still mild, 62, then a 100% chance of rain on Thanksgiving. Heavy rainfall likely. Then we get cold, 33 Friday morning, Friday's high 35. There could be a little light morning ice, Lance. We'll take a look at that and the Bedlam forecast in 10 minutes.
All right, Mike, thank you. A's